Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure AWS CLI version 2 on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, first open terminal, then check whether we have pre-installed AWS comes with Ubuntu. Just type, see you don't have, so Ctrl A. Now install the latest AWS CLI by going to AWS official document. So open the default web browser that comes with Ubuntu, that is Firefox. Then go to any search engine and search for download AWS CLI. See here we have the installing or updating latest version. Click on it. First what we can do with AWS CLI. Click on this about, right click, open link in new tab, go to here. See AWS Command Line Interface, that is AWS CLI is an open source tool that enables you to interact with AWS services using commands in your command line shell. With minimal configuration, the AWS enables you to start running commands that implement functionality equivalent to that provided by browser-based AWS management console from the command prompt in your terminal program. Okay, so go back, click on this install and update, scroll down, you can install on Linux, Mac OS and Windows. So click on Linux, then see here now command line installer. See, now go to this command line installer. So go to here, to install AWS CLI we have to run the following commands. So copy these commands one by one. First verify whether you have the curl or not. If you haven't curl, then install it. So verify curl version, curl hyphen version. See, curl is already installed. If it is not installed, just run sudo apt install curl. Then you have to enter. That is the way to install if it is not installed. Ctrl A. Now download this AWS CLI zip file, that is V2 means version number 2. Hit enter. See, download is completed. ls. See here we have the AWS CLI. Now unzip and install. So unzip, then give AWS CLI v2.zip. Hit enter. Extraction completed. See, we have the AWS folder. Now we have to run this command. Sudo Ctrl A, sudo, paste it, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify the version by running this command, or just give AWS version. See, we have installed AWS CLI 2.27.45. Okay, now we'll see how to configure the AWS CLI with AWS account. So first verify AWS configure. See, now it is asking access key ID and other information. To provide this access key ID, you must have the user account. So first create the user account and get the access key ID and secret key ID. Okay, so connect to AWS console. Now search for IAM, then click on IAM, or click on services, then click on security and identity and compliance. There, see here we have the IAM, both are same. Click on either of these services. Then go to users. See here I have one user. Let me create another user for this demo purpose. Then see here the optional option, that is provide user access to AWS management console. It is up to you. If you want to provide access, you have to select the checkbox. Then you have to select the options. So then I want to create an IAM user, and console password. See here we have two options, custom and auto-generated. Okay, so and the password must satisfy these conditions. Okay, I don't want user must create new password once login. Next, and now we have to set the permissions. You can add user to existing group, or you can copy permissions of the existing users, or you can attach the policies directly from this list. For this demo purpose, I am giving administration access. Okay, then click on next. See, this is the user summary. Then click on create user. See, this is the username and this is the console login name and this is the password. If you want to see the password, you have to click on show, or you can click on this copy button. Okay, now go back to, but this is not enough to log into AWS CLI. So click on return to users list, continue. Now click on username. Then see here we have the option to create the access key. Click on it. Now select the command line CLI. Then click on next. Select this. I understand the above recommendation and want to proceed to create user and access. To create an access key. I don't want to provide any tags. Click on create. See, we got the access key and secret key information. So copy this one or just download the CSV file. Open it. See, we got the access key. Let me maximize it. Okay, I will delete this username after this video completion. So don't use these credentials. So copy this one, paste it, hit enter. Now we have to provide the secret access key. Hit enter. Now we have to provide the default region. So we can get the list of the regions. Click on this one. See, here we have these regions. Just you need to copy this region name, or just you can type. Okay, US East 1. Hit enter, and we have to provide the default output formats. We have the default output formats like JSON, text and table. So I'm giving JSON. Hit enter. See, we have successfully configured. Now run again AWS configure. See, we got the previously provided access key. Okay, Control C. So now we will see few examples that we can perform with AWS CLI. So AWS IAM user -list. Sorry, it is list users. Control A, AWS IAM list users. Hit enter. See, these are the list of the users available. See, this is the username, this is user ID, and this is the creation date. This is the ARN information. In same way here also. You can also verify same. Go to users. See, here we have the same users. Okay. Now we'll find the list of the S3 buckets. So Control A, AWS S3 LS. See, you have these buckets. You can also get the same by running AWS S3 API list buckets. Enter. See, we got the list of the buckets information. Okay, and this is the owner information. If we go to the S3, then you will find the same buckets, and this is the creation date. Okay, go to S3 service. See, we got the same list of the buckets. The same, if you want to find the list of the AWS EC2 instances, first verify the EC2. Click on EC2. Go to instances running. See, you don't have instances. Even if you run the same AWS EC2 list instances, it won't work. But we can get the AWS list EC2 describe instances. It will give the empty list. See, there are no EC2 instances. Okay, go to this get started, and you have the different options. See, here we have different examples. See here, code examples. See, here we have different options. You can click on each one of them and you can practice. Suppose IAM. Click on IAM. See, here we have different options. You can practice. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure AWS CLI on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay. For more AWS or AWS CLI tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.